Welcome back, my global family. This is where we left off in our last video. Thank you for watching. So, it is the second snowstorm that's supposed to come. So we're going to see. So right now you see it's pretty clear. The snow has just started coming down. You can see it coming down. So the streets are clear. A lot of the snow has melted. So we're going to see how it goes. And I was tired, y'all. And so I needed to work, and I have to work because I have not worked since November of 2021 because of the flooding of my house, me going to Africa, which I will be showing you all those videos soon. It's just a lot going on. I'm still trying to get things, and I have not worked, and I need to work in order to take care of the stuff that I got going on in Africa. So I am feeling really bad, but I'm pushing myself, because right now I lost my house, my place of residency. So I'm looking for a place to live. So right now I'm being blessed by people who are just opening their homes until I can find me a place and move into a new location temporarily. But anyway, that's another story. So this is the beginning of the snow. It started around, what is this now? Like 1 p.m., 2 p.m. around that time. So it's supposed to turn into snow, ice, slush, we'll see. So I'm gonna be out here catching some rides along the journey. So I'll keep you all updated. All right, so it's like an hour later, and let me show you. Maybe I should open up my window so you can see it. Hold on, look. Yeah. It's sticking so fast. This person's flying. It's not quite coming down like rain, but it's coming down fast enough. It's coming down fast enough. Fast enough. So
approaching a railroad crossing.
So we'll do another hour check to see where it is in an hour. I'm out here working, y'all, because I need money. I need money for Africa, 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 Africa. So a few hours later. Alright, so this is the deal. I just dropped off a passenger. It was like a 45-minute ride, and we are now, let me see, 132, 33, 34. I've been on the road for like 3 hours. So this is where it is. Let you see up close. This is different from the last snowstorm. You see how the snow looks? The last snowstorm, it was just like snow, but this is turning into ice. Like, I had to stop and cleaned off my windshield wipers because ice was building up on it, and it was no longer taking the snow or the wetness off of my windshield. Let me face me. I have my heat on 90 so that the snow will not melt on it. But if you can look pretty closely, you see this top layer here? That's all ice, and it's coming down. So I have my heat on my windshield so it can melt it, but it's still icing over. So this is going to be an ice storm. I need to make some money, y'all, so I'm gonna work as long as I possibly can. But I'm noticing Lyft is taking me in these back roads. If it takes me in another back road, I'm done, because the people don't, and I'm like, you can't come out if your neighborhood's not plowed, and how you expect me to come in? So they try to take me in a back road. I'm not doing it. If it keeps me on like the main roads, I may, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I might have to quit for the night because to me, money is not worth the risk. And I don't want to be out here until the next day trying to get home because of the last storm, because I need to get to the grocery store, I need to get food, and I'm going to go in the house and I'm going to chill and I'm going to work on my YouTube channel, work on my business, relax, watch some Power, Kanan, BMF. I want to be 80s gangster night. But yeah, that's what it is. So I just got a ride. You hear it? I just got a ride. So let me get it. Yeah. I'm not gonna push it too tough. So yeah. I'm picking up a passenger, but I just want y'all to see this. It's coming down hard. Can you see the snow? Coming down like rain. But this time, look at my windshield. It's wet. That's where the problem is going to be. It's an inch. They said an hour, but it's wet also. So that's where the ice is gonna come into play, man. After this passenger, I'm still gonna work. I ain't gonna lie. I'm still gonna work because I don't feel unsafe. But I'm gonna work my way home. I'm gonna work towards my way home. Stop at the grocery store, get me some food, and chill in the house. I don't know where this guy is, but someone was asking me, was I gonna do a part 2 of the last snowstorm? And I was like, no, that's it. You know, I got home around 9 p.m. the last snowstorm. I was stressed out. I did manage to finally get gas at 7-Eleven. I got gas, my money. I grabbed some food from there, you know, it was what it is. And I said, and I was just like, this time I was like, I needed to work. I really did. So hopefully, I got a little bit of money. I haven't used up that much gas, but now I'm like looking at it. This is how the weather was when I left the last time. So now I'm about to say it's time to quit, because if I work any longer than now, than what it is now, I'm going to be stuck out here all night, and I'm not doing that. Well, here's my passenger. All right, family. So we are about 4 hours into working. I'm on my way to BWI. This might be my last ride. I keep saying that. So I've been on the road for 4 hours. And I want to see if it was worth it. You know, I'm a little irritated because I'm quite sure Lyft gave charged all kinds of extra rate for the snow. But unfortunately, I'm not seeing it on my end. So even though, you know, it's worth, you know, I'm making money, but is it worth it with me being out here in the snow? Is it worth it? No. But because I'm in a position where I need to work and I need some money, I'm out here. So we'll just see how it goes from here. Do I go straight? Look, I can stop and figure this out because ain't nobody out here. For real.